Hoag's object. That's what we're going to be checking out today in SpaceEngine. Okay, here we are on Earth. This is the only home we'll ever have in space. So we're trying to find as close as we can to this one. We're sort of landing in Australia here. So life would have gotten started on the shore just from being in the ocean first and then migrating onto the land. It can't orbit more than one star and it has to not be tidally locked. Those are a few things that we're looking for here. Okay, so this is Hoag's object. It's got this really weird shape to it. So we have these outer rings out here. So we're going to try to find a planet with life. Maybe like along the arm, the ring here. So we're just going to start here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to one sun. That's all. And there we go. We got some options. Perfect. And this is inside Hoag's object now. It looks pretty decent. It has rings. Earth's similar index is very low though. Wow, we got two planets with life. This is the Earthlike one. Looks kind of funky there. So that is how it looks. It's got some wispy clouds here. They're almost touching there. Yeah, let's get rid of that there. So this actually does have a higher Earth similar index. That's good. Okay, we can actually do this properly and get higher Earth similar index ratings. Sometimes with tidally locked planets, life would only exist along this line here. But yeah, it looks really good for a tidally locked planet. It has H2O in its seas and atmosphere. That's good. Okay, hopefully this one isn't tidally locked. This one is not tidally locked. There we go. Okay, so the Earth similar index is 0.85. Very sandy, it looks like. It might just be the color of the atmosphere. Okay, that's pretty cool. So there is life on this planet, marine and terrestrial, so on the land and in the sea. It's so cool that that moon is that big and that close. That's really cool how that is. Okay, so this one's an orange dwarf star. 15 degrees Celsius. That is a good temperature. That's very similar to Earth. That is pretty promising. Not tidally locked. That's a good orbital period thing there. So this one's the best one so far, even if it looks like it's a desert here. On this side, it's got a huge gas giant in its system there. That looks pretty cool. But yeah, this one's got the best Earth similar index so far. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay. Okay, we got a lot of sand here, it looks like. Wow. Any grass? Oh, there it is. Okay. Just want to check out the grass details. Oh, it's like laced in with the desertness to it. What about here? Is it just grass? Okay, this is more just grass. That's good. Yeah, there we go. We can get very close. I think that's as close as it lets me go. Okay. That's really good, though. Yeah, this one's the best one so far. Okay, let's check 100 light years within this planet's range. Okay. There we go. 9 planets, 1 with life, 80 light years away. What? Okay. So this one is pink. Wow, look at that. It's like a hot red pink. What does the ground look like? Oh, it's tidally locked. That sucks. God damn it. 35 days though, Jesus. That is super quick. But there is life here, marine and terrestrial. And the Earth similar index is 0.82. And it's pink! Here's a mountain. Okay, this is so cool. Even if it's not like within the parameters of what we're looking for. Jeez, the atmosphere is thick. We're still going up. Okay, there. It's so thick. Okay, even though it's, yeah, that is still really cool. Check out some of these details here. Well, yeah, there's the sun. It's only one sun though, so that's a good thing. Okay, we're gonna head away from this planet entirely. Okay, we're gonna turn up the nebulae. We're just going to bring them up with the brightness there. Okay. So we're going to try to find a planet around one. Or maybe inside one if we get lucky there. We're sticking with those parameters too. Ooh, look at how thick this one is. Are there any planets inside the nebula? Like at all? Okay, 6 planets. What are they like though? Ooh, this one's rocky. Doesn't have life at all, but it does have a rocky Earth-like surface. Oh yeah, it's just like a straight up dry desert. Maybe 50 light years? Try to get close. Try to get close to the nebula. Hopefully it's not tidally locked. Maybe we can get a good view. Yeah, it's very brown, so that kind of sucks, but it's got huge rings. So if we go over here, that nebula should be around here somewhere. Oh, there's a moon. Jeez. Okay, let's see if we can get a view from the surface. So we can't see it during the day, obviously, so we're going to have to turn the atmosphere off. And there it is. It's right there. Okay, so what happens if I do this? Yeah, it's just gone. Well, we can still see the rings. That's pretty cool. Orbital period, 232 days. Jeez. Yeah, it's definitely shorter than us. That's good. So the rotation is 12 hours, almost 13. So we can get a sunset here if we really want. So where's the sun at? Okay, there it is. So it's going to set over there. Okay. Got to get over this valley. Okay, here it comes. We're going to slow it down a little bit. Okay. Oh, it's going blue. That's kind of cool. Yeah, very nice with the sunset colors there. Lots of blue. And there it goes. Any other nebulae nearby? All the nebulae are turned up. That's pretty funny. Ooh, okay. It's got some options for rocky planets. Gonna try to find something nearby. Let's try to get close. 31 layers away. Oh, there it is. Okay. Just all of a sudden showed up. So we got 2 planets with life, actually. That's great. What's this one? Is this tidally locked? It is tidally locked. What about this one? Trying to avoid... Okay, this one is not. Ooh, okay, we have a moon here too. Great. Because that's like Earth and the moon. The Earth's similar index is very low, though. Probably because it doesn't have much grass on it. Wow. It does have H2O. Let's check out this moon here. Yeah, this kind of looks like Io a little bit. Very, very distorted with the colors. Nice. Okay, let's check 100 light years. We're still within the reach of the nebula too, so that's pretty cool. Okay, there we go. Let's go far from the nebula. Wonder if life would be better if we're not that close to a nebula, because nebulae, they are hot. So yeah, I wonder if that would have any effect on like any planets orbiting close by or something. Whoa, okay, this is very green. So there's a nebula up there, that's pretty cool. It is not tidally locked, 2.5 years to orbit. Nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, so this is the best atmosphere composition so far. Very identical to Earth. So 0.93 Earth similar index. Nice. That is really good. Whoa. Okay, check out this one. It's got rings like Saturn. That is so cool. We got some moons here too. So that's really neat that they're like almost on the same orbit. So like if we zoom out, what are the orbits actually like here? It looks so much like Saturn's rings. That's awesome. See if we can actually go inside it. So there's a bunch of nebulae around us here too. That's awesome. So it has marine and terrestrial life. That is good. We definitely have H2O in the seas. Okay, come on, we can do this. We gotta go slow so we can actually see it happen. There we go. We got the rocky particles. Just kind of gray and disgusting. Ah, the frame rate! Okay, we got that big moon right there. That's pretty cool. Let's go check out the surface. Ah, we're tilting. Okay, there we go. So yeah, this one has an Earth similar index of 0.92. That is really good. I just really like how thick these rings are. That is awesome. Now we found like an Earth-like planet with rings like Saturn, essentially. They're pretty close to the surface too. Ooh, we got this really cool canal that leads straight to the ocean. Nice. Kind of curls into this other one over here. Nice. That is so cool. Yeah, this one's a really good contender for life. That is it for today's video. If you like this sort of content, feel free to hit a thumbs up. We definitely have lots of fun with space stuff here. Definitely feel free to leave any suggestions in the comments below. I'll definitely put it up on screen in a future video or something like that. Feel free to hit subscribe as well. We have lots of fun here. Which one was the best? Which planet was the best? Let me know in the comments. We'll go back to it or something like that. And I will see you guys in the next one.